Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to our latest troubleshooting video. Today, we're diving into fixing the F12 error code on your Hotpoint washing machine for 2025 models. If your machine is flashing this code and refusing to start, don't panic. It's often something you can handle at home. This error typically indicates a problem with the communication between the control board and the motor, which could be caused by a loose wire, a faulty door lock, or even a simple power glitch. Before we jump in, remember, safety first. Always unplug your washing machine to avoid any electrical risks. Let's get started with the step-by-step fix. First, unplug the machine and wait about 5 minutes to let any residual power dissipate. This simple reset can sometimes clear the error. It's like giving your appliance a quick breather. Once that's done, plug it back in and try running a cycle. If the F12 code persists, it's time to inspect the door lock mechanism. Open the door and check for any obstructions, like coins or fabric, that might be preventing it from closing properly. Give it a thorough clean and ensure it's latching securely. Next, if the door seems fine, you'll need to look at the wiring. Carefully remove the back panel of the machine. Refer to your user manual for exact instructions, and check for any loose or damaged wires connected to the motor or control board. Secure any loose connections, but if you see any burnt or frayed wires, stop right there and call a professional. Reassemble everything and test the machine again. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be a deeper problem, like a faulty control board, which usually requires expert help. Remember, attempting repairs beyond your comfort level can void your warranty or cause more damage. That's it for today's guide. I hope this helps get your Hotpoint washing machine back up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.